Emma. I'm a cosmetology student here at T-Spa White House, and I'm going to be showing you how to do space buns today. Okay, so to achieve this, you're going to need clips, bobby pins, hair ties, and a rat tail comb. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing half up, half down space buns. You could do this like with all your hair up. You know, you can get the same look the way I'm going to show you with all of your hair. So at first, I'm going to split my hair down the middle all the way. And then it should look like this. And then from the middle, I'm going to take about right here, and I'm going from the ear. So you should feel whenever the rat tail comb hits your ear, and then it's going to be about this big. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to take a clip. I'm going to pin this away right here. It looks kind of funny, I know, I'm sorry. And then do the exact same thing on the other side. Again, about this big a section. Another clip. And pin it away. So with the rest of my hair, it's going to get in the way if you try to do your space buns. So I'm going to take a hair tie and put it all the way back, just because if you were to try to do your space buns like this, it would, your hair, the back of your hair would get in the way. So I'm going to take the rest of this and put it back. Again, still looks super crazy. It's part of the process, trust me. And then I'm going to take one section, unclip it. And from here, I'm just going to, okay, so I'm going to take this section and unclip it. And then from here, I'm going to get my comb. I'm going to just comb through it just to make sure everything is nice and soft and easy to put into a hair tie. And then I'm going to comb it up. And it's optional to back comb it, like from right here, just to get a little more volume if you'd like to. I'm not going to do that today. And then I am going to grab a little hair tie. And I'm going to kind of put it in almost a ponytail almost. And then stop. And then just pull one loop through, just like that. And then I'm going to tighten it. And then now with the rest of this hair, I'm going to spread it all around. And then with the remaining hair, I'm going to tuck it behind the hair tie. And just keep following this all around the little bun. And now with a couple of bobby pins, I'm just going to place it how I want it. So like this piece. Just like that. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other section I have. So again, brushing through it, make sure everything is nice and soft. And then I'm going to flip it up like this. Back comb it like that. And then again with another little hair tie. Wrap it like a ponytail. and then stop, and then with a little loop, just like that, and I'm going to tighten it, wrap the hair all around, and start tucking in all around the little bun. It looks messy, I know. We're getting there. It's okay. This one does look messier than the other one, but we can fix that with some bobby pins. So if one doesn't look exactly like the other one, that's completely okay because it's Space Buns. They're supposed to be messy buns on top of your head. So don't worry if they both don't look perfect. That's the whole point of it. Okay, then I'm gonna do that a little more. And then from here, I'm going to pull down a little section with the tip of my comb just to pull some hairs out to frame my face. Same with the other side. And you could even pull some from right here and have little bitty strands right here running down. And I am going to pick some hairs out right here just to give it more volume in the front so I don't look completely flat. And then, so from here, what you could do, you could straighten your hair, you could curl your hair if you wanted to. It just depends on your preference. I usually just leave my hair down like this, and then there you go, little space buns. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Hope you like it, and I hope you guys try this at home. Thanks.